Have you ever tried Jamaican style tripe and bean? People, today I'm gonna teach you how to make it. If you want to see this longer version to this awesome video, go check out my YouTube channel, Cooking with Remo Jen. Yes people, oh my god, look at this tripe. Look at all those seasoning I'm adding on to that tripe, people. It's gonna taste so good. That's me adding some scallion, and I did add some thyme. Now I'm going ahead and add my curry powder, people. Oh my god, look at that. Looks so good. Oh my god. Now I go ahead and add some oil to my pot. Then I add some curry powder to the oil and burn the curry. Yes people, nice and good and wonderful, people. Now that's me go ahead and put it in my tripe, people. Oh my god, look at those tripe. Then I add some water to it to cook this tripe down, people. Let's cook this tripe up. Oh, look at that. Nice and good and wonderful tripe and bean. Oh my god, look at this tripe and bean. Until next time, like, comment, share, and most definitely follow on this video. See more awesome video like these.